Hello student, in this section of video we will deal with the concept of rounding of numbers. Now see, in rounding of any whole number, we see next digit to the right of chosen number. See, this line is very much important. We see next digit to the right of chosen number. You can say chosen place also. If digit is 5 or more, if digit is 5 or more than 5, if digit is 5 or more than 5, then we increase chosen number by 1. Then we increase chosen number by 1. And all digits to the right of chosen number will be replaced by zeros. See, this particular portion is very much important and you need to focus on this also. Now another para is also very much important. See here. If the digit to the right of the chosen number is less than 5, then the chosen number will remain same. If the digit to the right of chosen number is less than 5, then the chosen number will remain same, and all digits to the right side are replaced by zeros. See, this whole para, this 3 whole paras are going to clear your concept with the help of the following example. Now focus on the following example because that will clear your doubts in a more better way. Now moving on to the examples. See, rounding of a number to the nearest 10. For example, round off 48 to the nearest 10. Solution given: since 48, here chosen number is 4, or you can say the 4th place, or you can say the 4. Now we focus on the immediate right digit after 4, that is 8. Here chosen number is 4. Now at 1's place, which is also 1's place, 8 is there, which is greater than 5. So we replace 4 by 5 in given number 48, which is 10's place, or ye, and that is 10's place also. And 1's place digit 8 will be replaced by 0. So our answer will be 50. See, we have increased 4 by 1, that is 4 plus 1, we are getting 5, because 1's place digit is greater than 5. So 50 is our answer. So 48 is rounded to the nearest tens, that is 50. Now see, second example, example 2, round off 42 to the nearest 10. See, here if we have to round up to the nearest 10, then we will have to focus on the 1's place digit. Now see, solution given: 42 is our chosen number. Here chosen number is 4. That is the 1's digit is 2, which is less than 5. See, which is less than 5. That means, so 10's place digit will remain same. This will remain same, that is 4. And 1's place digit will be replaced by 0, that is 2. So 40 is our answer, because 10's place digit will remain same and this will be replaced by 0. So 0, that is 40. 40 is our answer. So 42 is rounded to the nearest tens, that is 40. Now we will move to the other examples also. Rounding of a number to the nearest 100. For example, round off 894 to the nearest 100. Now see, solution given: 894 is given. In 894, the digit at 10's place is 9, and 9 is greater than 5, because we have to focus on the immediate right digit of the chosen number. Here the chosen number is 8 and we are focusing on 9 because that is 10's place. So 894 can be rounded off to the nearest 100, that is 900. How this has been done? See, in the rough I have make you clear. I have written some points which will make you clear the concept. 4 is 1's place, that will convert to 0. At 10's place, which is 9, and greater than 5 also, so this will also converted to 0. Now since it is greater than 5, so 8 plus 1 will be 9. So we are having 900, or you can say write like this 900 also. So I hope the concept is clear to you regarding the rounding off of the 100 place. Now see, moving on to the example 2, round off 347 to the nearest 100. Now given number is 347. In 347 the digit at tens place is 4. Here I have marked also 4. So 4 is less than 5. As we have earlier said that if the digit immediate to the chosen digit to the chosen number is less than 5, then the number will remain same here. So here this 3 will remain same and rest will convert into 0. See here, 347 can be rounded off to the nearest 100, that is 300, as I said. Now in rough, how can you do this? 7 converted to 0, 4 which is less than 5 converted to 0, and in that case 3 will not be changed, it will remain same, and 300 is our answer. Now rounding off a number to the nearest 1000. Now we will quickly move to the example. For example, round off 8695 to the nearest 1000. Since we have to round off to the nearest 1000, then we have to focus on the 100 place digits. Here I have chosen this, I have marked this also 6. In 80695 the digit at 100 place is 6, and 6 is greater than 5. So when 6 is greater than 5, that means 8 plus 1 will be there and our answer will be rounded off, and rest of the digit at the right of 8 will be converted to 0. Now see, so 8695 can be rounded off to the nearest 1000. See here, the answer is 9000. Here the rough work is also done here. 5 is converted to 0, 9 is converted to 0, 6 is greater than 5, so it will also converted to 0, but because it is greater than 5, then 8 plus 1 is equal to 9 is there, therefore 9 is here, and it is rounded off to the nearest 1000. Now see another example. Focus here. For example 2, round off 7482 to the nearest 1000. You can focus and pause the video for your convenience to understand the concept. Now solution given. 7482 is the number given. Since in 7482 the digit at 100 place is 4 and 4 is less than 5. Again, since it is 4 is less than 5, so 7 will not change, it will remain same, and rest of the digit at the right side of the 7 will convert into zeros. See here, 2 converted to 0, 8 converted to 0, 4 is less than 5, so it converts to 0, 7 is less than 7, since 4 is less than 5, so 7 will remain same. So 7482 can be rounded off to the nearest 1000, is that 7000. So in that way, I hope you have understand the concept of rounding off of the numbers. You in the same manner you can round off the higher digits, higher numbers also, like in lakhs, crores also, whenever it is asked to you. Just you have to focus to the immediate right digit of the chosen number, or you can say if the digit is greater than 5, then you increase the chosen place digit by 1 and rest digits are converted into 0. And if you if the chosen number, or you can say the chosen digits is chosen digit is something else, and the immediate right digit of the chosen number is less than 5, then the digit will remain same, and make all the digits after that means the chosen number means after the chosen number you have to make all the digits 0. In that manner you round off to the nearest said pattern. Now, as I said in the earlier definitions, you can focus on the earlier definition. I hope the concept is clear to you. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.